Hi design darlings, this is Tanisha Denise. I am a crafter, DIYer, and stay-at-home mommer, and I am here with a tutorial video. This is just a sweet little cute little journal. This means ages 8 to seniors can do this. It's super easy, but it's very cute. It has a little antique-y look. And so I'm just here to share with you how to do this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it, and please make sure that you like and subscribe and go over to my membership community. That's designdarlings.club, not .com. There's no .com, it's a .club. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Bye.
Okay guys, so you can see here I'm just showing you some of the materials that you'll need. Just some decorative papers, regular paper, scissors, glue, tape, ribbon, and a cereal box. So pretty simple. Cutting out the back of the cereal box here and just cutting it down the size. It doesn't have to be perfect. You're not looking for perfection. You're just looking for something that's fun that you can use, and just getting a feel for making journals. And this whole process, I think it took maybe about an hour, so it really wasn't a long process. It's just a fun thing to do, fun craft to do, and like I said, any age group, really starting at maybe about 8, can do this project. So here I'm just folding papers in half. The length of the cardboard box that I used is about, when I put that in half, it'll be about half for those papers. Choosing which one I want to be the outside cover, which one I want to be the inside cover, and then just did some more measuring. Now I put some glue down. It was Aleene's. I got that from the Dollar Tree, so it's not always available, but when it is, I suggest you stock up on it because it's a really good tacky glue. And so I put the inside cover paper, so I'm going to use that yellow paper as the inside cover, and I cut that down exactly to size. And then in between of letting the stuff dry, I was just cutting the interior papers down to size, the papers for the signatures. So I'll talk about signatures in a second. Okay, so that's the outside cover, and I'm again cutting some of the papers for the inside signatures down to size, letting that dry some more. Just tested it, cutting some papers down to size. Alright, here I'm cutting off just leaving a little border around so that I can fold that in and it'll give a more crisp look to the outside. So yeah, I'm just gluing that down. I was listening to some good music. Love me some Drake, so I was listening to that while I crafted. And there I'm just trying to get some of the air bubbles out. There were a couple bubbles in it, and yeah, just trying to make sure that it looked pretty nice from the outside. Okay, and then here I'm making the signature, so I'm layering each page inside of itself. I think there were 15 pages total, so when you have that times 4 for writing surfaces, I'm not good at math, so I'm not even going to try to decide, but pull out your calculator, tell me what it is, because I don't know right now. Okay, so I crumpled up the paper to kind of add some character and dimension to the paper. And then I'm putting the signatures back together, so I'm layering 5 pieces of paper, one inside the other, until you've decided, how much paper you want in that signature. So as you layer each one inside the other, that is the signature. That's what's called a signature. So yeah, I'm just doing the third and final one. And I really loved how this turned out with the crumpled papers. It just gave it so much body and fluffiness, and I just really enjoyed it. Okay, so there's my cover, and I'm kind of just folding that in half because I'd already kind of measured that it would be half. And then I'm going to use this ribbon to tie the signatures to the spine of the book, and that'll keep the paper in place. So instead of trying to do any stapling or sewing or anything like that, kept it pretty simple, just tied the papers in place. Which, if you think about it, you could replace the papers on the inside if you just really love your cover and keep replacing them. So that's one of the good things about this this way of doing things. And it doesn't have to be anything perfect or anything like super fancy. Literally, I just tied it in place and then tied it around the outside to make it into a little closure, like a ribbon. And here I was looking at some other papers. I thought about pockets and I changed my mind against it. But yeah, so that's the completed book right there. It's really, really cute. It's in my Etsy shop, which is designdarlings.club. And go to my website, www.designdarlings.club, not .com, and you can find some discounts there as well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Like and subscribe. Bye.